Hey guys, I am Chris and I will be making videos on particle physics. And this video is an introduction. First thing first, what do you mean by particle physics? Well, particle physics is a branch of physics that studies the elementary constituents of matter and radiation and the interaction between them. So, we will be dealing with subatomic particles. Before anything, we must understand the environment, that is, the subatomic space. Unlike macroscopic or the surroundings which we can see with our naked eyes, which is related by classical Newtonian mechanics, subatomic space is related with quantum mechanics in the range of nanometer. Can the whole world be made of particles? The answer is no. For all we know for sure, all things which are made up of atom constitute only 4.6% of the universe. 24% dark matter, and the rest, that is 71.4%, is all dark energy. Some basic knowledge is required. Having a good knowledge of model of atoms like Dalton's model of atom, Thomson's model of atom, Rutherford's model of atom, and the basics of Bohr's model of atom. Basic calculus is appreciated along with quantum mechanics. Now, we say quantum mechanics is a world beyond imagination. Yet, we do need imagination for a better understanding of the topic. In the next video, we will talk about matter. Till then, thank you.